Automation Direct carries a variety of products for wire and cable entry management and enclosures, including cable glands, multi-wire connectors, and cable entry systems like these general-purpose and food-grade cable entry systems from Murrplastik. These Murrplastik cable entry systems easily allow installation of non-terminated or pre-made terminated cables through an enclosure or other bulkhead surface. The KDP/R series is a round version of the KDP series and offers a general-purpose round one-piece frame available in 2 different sizes, capable of holding up to 46 non-terminated cables in a single frame. The KDL/H-VA-FDA series FDA-compliant stainless steel split frames is available in 3 sizes, use the KDT/X FDA-approved grommets, and can hold up to 12 pre-made or terminated cables. We also offer the KDP Series FDA Cable Quick System, a one-piece stainless steel frame that can hold up to 56 non-terminated cables. The FDA-compliant cable entry systems are ideal for food, beverage, pharmaceuticals, and any industry requiring sanitary components. These cable entry plates are IP65 or IP69K rated depending on model, have a 2-year warranty, and offer these agency approvals. Learn more on the cable entry products we offer by visiting AutomationDirect.com/cable-entry-systems. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.